Guidance system looks clear.
All right, slide it home.
It's in.
Locked and secure. Let's go.
Weapon system showing green. Ready for taxi.
All right, lift it up. Easy now.
Steady, Sergeant.
Lock engaged. Clear.
This one checks out. Send it.
Roger, Sergeant.
We tracked the vibration to the elevation actuator mount, Captain, reinforced the brackets, and ran a full recalibration cycle. It's solid.
Excellent, Sergeant. That should sort the tracking stability.
Diagnostics complete. We have a confirmed pass signal.
Good. The ripple fire circuit is hot. Take these crates to the Apache line staging area. Double time. Let's move it.
Weapon station 3 is loaded. Acknowledged.
All right, clear on your end?
Yeah, clear.
On 3. 1, 2, lift.
Long day just got longer.
Understood, Captain. All right, let's get these crates brought up.
Air's too thin. We're overweight. Unlatch these 2 outer pylons carefully now.
She flew great.
Welcome back, Captain.
Lock on confirmed.
The corkscrew entry left us vulnerable approaching the ridge. 3 seconds too long.
I'll initiate the flare sequence earlier to cover the bank.
Pay attention to the airflow path right here. If the seeker head overheats, you'll get a tracking failure every time.
Understood, Sergeant. Keep it cool. Tie it down. Don't let that wind catch it.
Test complete. Tracking secure.
Roger that, gunner. Green to taxi.
One more turn. Station 4 is online.
Easy, Hayes. Keep it perfectly level. Yes, Sergeant. Steady now.
Locked on. Sufficient to fuel us back to there.
Check the detent, it's secure. Confirmed, Sergeant. Marked.
We'll stay low through the valley.
Steady, in the tube, secured. Retainer locked, good. Weather's keeping us grounded, Captain. We have to run the level 3 checks on the starboard engine.
Understood, Sergeant. Let's get it done.
All right, give me another inch forward. Easy now, and hold. Rotate just slightly to the right.
Move that cart back, Hayes. Roger that, Sergeant. Moving the cart.
Weapons free on these coordinates, but the hospital zone adjacent is a protected area.
Understood. Priority target identification confirmed.
No structural damage found. Rotor's clear. Don't scratch the paint on the way up.
No promises, Miller. See you in an hour.
Secure the latches, Hayes.
Secured, Sergeant.
Good. Marking this one, deployment kit Alpha. Let's move to the next one.
Flight log is current, ma'am. This bird saw action in '09, but the sensor array here is brand new. Good to know. I'll review the logs.